been waiting for months. It's time to drive this thing. Let's see how we make it up. Still needs a couple more things, like I need to check to see if the battery's actually charging. You know, I found reverse and on the old gas. I don't know if that's a good idea, a bad idea. I started it on fresh gas, but there was quite a bit in the tank and I was trying to pump it out. It was just taking way too long. Not geared up all that high, I'll say that much for it. I got that seat in the back that I really don't want to have to pick up off the ground, so we got to take it easy a little bit. You guys can see, probably hear, the world, the wind is whizzing about pretty good. I don't know if acting a little fussy, might not like the gas. Remember, I don't have a well, let's try reverse. Oops. Let's try not to run over things in reverse. Oops. Boy, that alarm is annoying. Boy, there's a lot of things in my yard to crash into. Old one hand Harvey. Yeah, I gotta do kind of a little something with that switch. Boy, this thing, I wonder if it's geared lower. Because boy, it makes my my club car look like a racehorse. I mean, it seems strong, it seems to pull well. I mean, actually, for a two-cylinder, it does okay. It's not amazing. So, what do I have tied up in this thing? I paid $1,000 for it, which I thought was a little high. And I put another $105 into a starter. And other than that, I rebuilt the carburetor. So I got just over 1,100 into it. What do you guys think? Did I do okay? Or was I robbed? Robbed by a friend. So let me know what you guys think. At least it's moving and running and doing what it's supposed to be doing. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this series of videos. This is the way I'm going to try to do things rather than just kind of poke at them and poke at them. I'm going to try to get them more into a running state as I did with this. I want to thank everybody for dropping by to watch, comment, and subscribe. Please remember, feet down, heads up, and get out and enjoy each and every day. Bye now.